Are you spending hours on marketing tasks that AI should be handling in minutes? Content creation, SEO research, email campaigns, social scheduling, ad copy. If any of those still take you more than 30 minutes, you have not found the right tools yet. These 5 will change that today. And none of them are in any other AI marketing video you have watched. Tool 1. Surfer SEO. Are you creating content that nobody finds? Most marketers write blog posts and social content based on instinct. They guess what their audience is searching for. They guess what keywords to use. They guess how long the content should be. Surfer SEO removes every single guess. It analyzes the top-ranking content for any keyword you want to target. It tells you exactly what topics to cover, what questions to answer, how long the content should be, and which keywords to include naturally. The result is content that ranks. Not because you got lucky. Because you followed what is already working. The free plan gives you access to keyword research and basic content optimization. Enough to completely transform how you approach content creation from day one. Stop guessing. Start ranking. Tool 1 makes your content findable. Tool 2 makes your outreach unstoppable. Tool 2. Apollo.io. Most marketers spend hours finding potential customers, researching them, personalizing outreach, and following up. Apollo automates all of it. It is a prospecting and outreach platform with a database of over 275 million contacts. Search by industry, job title, company size, location, or technology used. Find your exact target customer in seconds. Then Apollo's AI writes personalized outreach emails for each contact, using their specific industry, their specific role, and their specific pain points. Not a generic template. A genuinely personalized message at scale. The free plan gives you 50 email credits per month. Enough to test your outreach strategy and see real results before committing to anything. The marketers finding new clients consistently in 2026 are not cold calling. They are using Apollo. My personal take, tool 3 is the one I would implement on day 1 of any marketing campaign. Because it solves the problem every marketer wastes the most time on. Tool 3. Publer. Social media marketing without a scheduling tool is like driving without GPS. You are moving, but not efficiently. Publer is an AI-powered social media scheduler that manages all your platforms from one dashboard. Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, all in one place. But here is what makes it different from every other scheduler. Publer's AI generates post captions based on your topic and brand voice. It suggests the best posting times based on when your specific audience is most active. It recycles your top performing posts automatically so your best content keeps working long after you post it. The free plan handles 3 social accounts with unlimited scheduled posts. One afternoon setting up Publer replaces hours of daily social media management every single week. Tool 3 handles your social media. Tool 4 is going to handle something most marketers completely ignore. Tool 4. Murf AI. Video content is the highest performing format in digital marketing right now. But most marketers avoid it because they do not want to be on camera. Or they cannot afford professional voiceover artists. Or they do not have the equipment. Murf AI solves all 3 problems. It generates professional quality AI voiceovers in over 120 voices in 20 languages. Natural. Human sounding. Indistinguishable from a real voice artist in most contexts. Use it to create product explainer videos. Marketing ads. Social media video content. Presentation narration. Podcast intros. The free plan gives you 10 minutes of voiceover generation per month. Enough to create your first 3 marketing videos and see the quality for yourself. Video content with professional voiceover converts significantly better than text alone. Murf makes that accessible to every marketer regardless of budget. Tool 4 gave you professional video voiceover. Tool 5 ties your entire marketing strategy together. Tool 5. Foreplay.io. Here is the problem most marketers never solve. They create ad campaigns. Some work. Most do not. And they never know why. Foreplay is an AI-powered AD research and inspiration tool. It lets you save, organize, and analyze the best performing ads from competitors in the industry. Search any brand or illustrator. See their active ads across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Save the ones that are clearly working. Analyze what makes them effective, the hook, the formula, the offer, the creative approach. Then brief your own campaigns based on what is already proven to work in your specific market. Stop guessing what ad creative will convert. Start your campaigns from evidence. The free plan gives you access to the ad library search and limited saves per month. Enough to completely transform how you approach paid advertising. Here is your digital marketing stack. Surfer SEO to create content that actually ranks. Apollo to find and reach your exact target customer automatically. Publer to manage all your social media from one place. Murf AI to produce professional video